Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best travel bottle brush set is probably one of the most essential items for parents on the go, ensuring your little one's bottles stay squeaky clean wherever your adventures take you. This video will dive into the top travel bottle brush sets available, comparing features, ease of use, and overall effectiveness to help you choose the perfect one for your family's needs and make those travels with your baby a little bit easier. Number 5. Travel Baby Bottle Brush Set. This travel set has everything you need for clean bottles on the go. It includes a bottle brush with an extendable handle, nipple brush, straw brush, drying rack, soap dispenser, and a convenient carrying case that doubles as a warmer. It's all in one for easy cleaning and storage. The magnetic cap is also a drying rack, keeping bottles clean and dry. The set also includes a soap dispenser for your favorite bottle wash. Each brush has its own spot in the case, keeping everything organized. The bottle brush has an extendable handle and soft silicone bristles to easily reach every corner of the bottle. It's also easily disassembled for compact storage, saving space in your bag or at home. This set also includes specialized brushes for cleaning straws and nipples. Their unique shapes ensure a thorough clean, reaching even hard-to-reach areas. It's perfect for bottles, sippy cups, and breast pump parts. It's made with BPA-free, food-grade silicone and ABS plastic. The whole set is dishwasher safe, and the brush heads are even boil safe for extra sanitation. It's the perfect gift for new parents. What we like? This all-in-one set has everything you need for cleaning baby bottles on the go, including a drying rack and a bottle warmer. If you're looking for convenience and versatility in one compact package, this is the perfect choice. It's ideal for busy parents who need a simple, effective solution for keeping baby bottles clean wherever they are. What people say. The set is compact, with an extendable liquid silicone brush that made cleaning bottles on the go super easy. The silicone material is gentle yet effective at getting into every nook, and the brush dries quickly, which was perfect for frequent use during our trip. The set comes with everything you need to keep bottles clean, and it fits easily into a diaper bag. It's easy to assemble. The soap dispenser pump works well. It fits into a bag easily. Great to use on the go or as a kit to have handy in other areas of the house to keep bottles clean. This kit is very compact and comes with a variety of different tools. The brushes are silicone, which I haven't used for bottled up until now, and I have no complaints. The kit also comes with a straw cleaner. Each brush has its own space, which keeps everything organized and helps with drying. The soap bottle holds 50 milliliters, which is plenty. Number 4. TechoEcho Baby Bottle Cleaning Kit. This innovative kit has everything you need to keep your baby's bottles clean and hygienic, on the go or at home. It's designed for ultimate convenience and ease of use. The lid doubles as a drying rack with a magnetic base for easy attachment. It also includes a convenient soap dispenser to keep everything organized. The bottle brush features an extendable handle and soft silicone bristles to reach every corner, ensuring a thorough clean without scratching. It's easily disassembled for compact storage. This kit also includes specialized brushes for cleaning nipples and straws, ensuring all parts are thoroughly cleaned. They're all made of high-quality, food-grade materials. It's compact and easy to pack, making it ideal for travel. It also makes a thoughtful gift for expecting parents or new moms. We stand behind our product with a satisfaction guarantee. Made with BPA-free, food-grade silicone and ABS plastic, it's safe for your baby and the environment. The entire set is dishwasher safe, except the brush handles. What we like? This comprehensive kit boasts 7 pieces for thorough cleaning and includes a magnetic drying rack for easy use. If you value a superior cleaning experience and peace of mind, this set is for you. Its excellent customer service makes it a risk-free purchase for parents who want a reliable product. What people say. Great quality and size. Makes traveling so much easier because the compact size carrying case. Easy to use and perfect for cleaning all the baby things. It's really no bigger than a reusable water bottle. They have thought of all the features. The top is magnetic, so you don't have to worry about it coming off. They are decently strong. I love how it is all compact. When the brush is put together, it holds together well, and I don't have to worry about it coming off. The head of the brush is removable for cleaning purposes. Compact and has everything you need to clean and dry the bottles. Number 3. Rrwin Bottle Brush Cleaner Kit. This complete kit makes cleaning baby bottles a breeze. It has everything you need to keep those bottles sparkling clean and germ-free. It's made with high-quality, food-grade materials that won't scratch your bottles. The silicone brush heads are detachable and the whole set is dishwasher safe. The innovative built-in drying rack holds up to 8 bottles at once. It also dries nipples, sippy cup lids, and more. This handy kit is compact and portable, perfect for travel. It fits easily into diaper bags and suitcases. It's not just for baby bottles. It also cleans thermoses, wine glasses, and other household items. It's a truly versatile cleaning solution. Each brush has its own designated spot in the storage box, keeping everything neat and tidy. Plus, there's a built-in soap dispenser for your favorite cleaning solution. What we like? With its extra-large drying rack and compact design, this set is perfect for families with multiple bottles. If you need a space-saving solution that can handle a lot of bottles, this is it. Its versatility extends beyond baby bottles, making it a practical addition to any home. What people say. It is TSA approved and it's built so conveniently that it won't take up a lot of room in your carry-on or baby bag. The brush is made out of silicone, which I was worried about at first, but it actually works very well. It comes with a soap dispenser so you don't have to worry about buying some when you land. It fits perfect in the diaper bag. It has a soap dispenser, and cleans great, and I can even dry the bottles. Number 2. Baby Bottle Brush Set. It's a complete cleaning kit for your baby's bottles. Everything you need is right here, making cleaning easy whether you're at home or on the go. Made with food-grade silicone and BPA-free plastic, it's gentle on delicate bottles and safe for your little one. It's also durable and long-lasting. This set features a unique design with a built-in drying rack and individual brush storage. It's compact for easy travel and storage. Take it with you anywhere. It's ideal for home use, travel, or even when you're out and about. It's stylish and easy to carry. It's dishwasher and sterilizer safe for easy cleaning. Just remember to air dry it after washing and avoid boiling or steaming to prevent damage. This kit includes a bottle brush, nipple brush, straw brush, soap dispenser, and drying rack. You won't need any other equipment. What we like? This simple yet effective kit includes all the essentials for cleaning baby bottles without any unnecessary extras. If you prioritize safety and simplicity, this is the ideal choice. Its compact size makes it perfect for travel or small spaces. What people say. It's about the size of a travel coffee mug and everything fits nicely inside. I love how I'm able to bring my favorite bottle soap in the small soap dispenser, and the silicone brushes get nice and sudsy for a good clean. I also like how I can comfortably fit 2 bottles on the drying rack too. So quick and easy for moms on the go. Really great for travel. I love how it includes a brush for each part of cleaning the bottle and nipples, etc. So great how it all fits compactly in one little jar when you need to carry it around. Fits great in a diaper bag. Number 1. 7-in-1 Baby Bottle Cleaning Kit. This amazing kit has everything you need to keep your baby's bottles and accessories sparkling clean. It's compact and perfect for home or travel. With over 1,000 soft silicone bristles, it cleans thoroughly and easily. The innovative design gets into every nook and cranny. It's not just for bottles. This versatile set tackles pacifiers, straws, and even hard-to-reach areas in other cups and containers. Its compact size and built-in lanyard make it easy to pack and take with you anywhere. It's the perfect travel companion. Made with high-quality, BPA-free materials, it's gentle on bottles and safe for your baby. It's a thoughtful gift for new parents too. What we like? This set offers a complete cleaning solution with a focus on efficiency and thorough cleaning. If you value a deep clean and a compact design, this is the perfect option. Its small size makes it ideal for travel and storage. What people say. The bottle brush is much sturdier than many others I have purchased even for my home use. The extra attachments to clean hard-to-reach areas on bottles and sippy cups are fantastic. I love that it includes spaces to dry and everything folds up nicely into the unit for storage. The compact design and carrying case make it easy to toss in my diaper bag or purse. The brushes themselves are high quality and effective at cleaning every nook and cranny of the bottles. I love that they're also dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. The different sizes of the brushes are perfect for cleaning various bottle sizes and shapes, from newborn to toddler. This set has literally everything you need for bottle cleaning in a small little package. Its compact size makes it easy to add to the diaper bag, and it's very durable, surviving a gulp of drops so far. It cleans really well and has held up against my newborn. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.